29. That is the total subscriber count on this channel right now. And I am sitting here deciding whether I can reach 20,000 subscriber by December or not. I know. Trust me, I know. It sounds crazy. It sounds wild. But if you are watching this video right now, that means you are also becoming a part of this journey. Whether I fail spectacularly or actually I pull it off, we'll see it later. So grab your crochet hook or maybe your favorite drink. Let's talk about real number, real plan, and some very real honesty. Hello, guys, I am Joya, and welcome back to Made by Joya, where we crochet, we vlog our life, and occasionally we question our own life choices. If you are new here, let's have a quick intro. I make beginner friendly crochet tutorial. If you want to learn crochet or find it very difficult or complicated, trust me, I got your back and I'm here to prove you wrong. But today's video is a little bit different. Today I'm going to do a complete channel audit and I'm going to be very honest and transparent. Most importantly, I'm going to set a goal, let's say ambitious. Well, I'm not here to sugarcoat anything, so let's do the math first. So, to go from 29 to 20,000 subscribers, I literally need 19,971 new subscribers. And if I want to hit that by December, that means I have mota 6 months or less. So that works out to about 110 new subscribers every day. That is insane. Now, if I told you how long it took me to get to 29 subscribers, you might just leave this video right now. It took me 4 months. But I'm sharing this because I want to be very honest and I believe in transparency. There are so many creators, shows like the highlight reels, the overnight success. Nobody shows that in their first 50 videos, they have got only 10 to 15 views. So, yes, mathematically, it's a little crazy. It's a lot crazy and wild. But don't you think the craziest goal makes the most interesting content? And if I'll never try, I'll never know what's actually possible.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Okay, so jokes apart, I went through my entire channel analytics and I found some very interesting and crazy patterns. So, pattern number one, my shorts got views but not subscribers. Somewhere I think I am lacking to convert my viewers into subscribers because if you watch my videos, like my shorts, I have got really good views, like really good views for a small channel, micro channel. The views I have got in my shorts are genuinely good, but they are not converting into subscribers because अगर मुझे उतने जितने व्यूज मिले हैं उतने अगर सब्सक्राइबर्स मुझे मिल जाते तो अब तक मेरा 1000 क्रॉस हो चुका होता सब्सक्राइबर्स बट it is not happening. They're just entertained for 30 seconds and they're gone. I need to work on that. Pattern number two, my long form video are fewer, but their watch time is significantly better, which tells me that people actually want to know, want to learn new things. What am I showing them? Because I have made tutorial videos and the blog. The tutorial videos are getting good views. They have got very good watch hours, watch time, but the blog wala video they are not doing quite well. They have got very few views. Pattern number three, my weekend posting is almost non existing. And weekends are when most people like to slow down things, they like to sit down, chill, learn new things, work on their hobby or binge new creator. And I am being so stupid not posting, not grabbing that opportunity. I never post on weekend. I don't know what was I thinking. I am completely missing that window. So basically, I have been generating views, good amount of views, but not converting them into subscribers. And that is the most common mistake a beginner creator or a new creator make. We assume views is equal to growth, but in reality, subscribers is equal to growth. Think it in this way, like views are just a trailer, but subscribers are the actual people who shows up and finishes the whole movie. Okay, so these are the mistake I've been doing. Now, how do I fix this? Here's other things which I am going to do. Step number 1, double down on beginners tutorial. Through my channel analytic, I've come to know that watch hours and views on my tutorial videos are much higher than my vlogs, which is fair because people don't know me yet. People who search like crochet for beginners or beginner friendly projects aren't just looking for one video, they need a full guide, a channel they can come back again and again and learn and watch new things. That's the audience I think most probably, most likely to hit that subscribe button and stay. Step number 2, stay consistent even when it's not perfect. I have not posted anything from last 3 to 4 weeks, and this inconsistency is not going to help me. It's not going to help me grow my channel. So, no matter what, one or two long form videos every week plus 3 to 4 short form videos. No excuses. Even when I'm feeling very low, even when nothing goes right, content must go up. Step number 3, start posting on weekends. I think this simple fix will give me huge potential impact. This time, I'm not going to lose this opportunity. I must grab this opportunity now. Step number 4, give people a real reason to subscribe. So, I am thinking that I am going to post more tutorial videos with fewer vlog form videos because people are very much interested in tutorial or beginner friendly crochets or maybe new patterns. They want to learn something from start to finish, which I'm really going to give them very soon. Also, this channel isn't just mine, it belongs to all of us. Look, I am not going to pretend like I guarantee I'll hit 20,000 subscriber by December. Maybe I'll land on 500, maybe 2,000, maybe I'll blow past it, or maybe just stuck with 29 only. I genuinely don't know. But here's what I do know, that any number higher than 29 is a growth for me. And growth is worth showing up every single day. So this video isn't a fake confidence moment. This isn't me performing optimism for the algorithm. This is real me who really want to grow her channel, who really want to grow her business, who really want to build a community. And this is a real commitment to myself and to every single person who watches this video till the end. So, if you want to be the part of this journey, this challenge, there's two things you can do right now. Number 1, subscribe, because the moment you hit that subscribe button, you become a part of this journey. Number 2, drop your guesses in the comment section. Where do you think we'll be by December? And if you are a total crochet beginner, go watch my pinned comment video, Crochet for Absolute Beginners. That's where your journey starts, just like mine did. 29 to 20,000 subscribers, whether we'll get there or not, I promise that this going to be the most honest, the most real, the most transparent journey I have ever shared on this channel. See you in my next video. Until then, keep your crochet hook moving, whatever your goal is, big or small, just believe in it. Don't give up just now. And I'll see you again. Bye, guys.